Welcome to the world of KTM Pro-XP. Let's get started with how to start a live trip. First, open your KTM India app and tap on the KTM Pro-XP section. This is your feed where you can connect and share with other riders in the KTM community. To start a live trip, tap on the orange color Start Trip button, located at the bottom center of your screen. The app automatically picks up your trip start location. Now enter your trip destination and choose from the drop-down list. Choose who you want your live trip to be visible to: everyone, only followers, or private. Tap Start to begin tracking. For your phone to properly track your trip, it is mandatory to give the following permissions. First, allow the app to access your physical activity permission. Second, enable the Always Access Location permission. And third, switch off battery optimization for the app. The permissions will ensure accurate tracking on your phone. Once done, tap Start. Congratulations! You are now on your first live trip.